I have a great news. The early turnover scheme just got enhanced. Hello everyone, it's good to see you again. So most of you should be familiar with ETS, which was first introduced in 2013. The scheme was to encourage business owners to change their pre-Euro to Euro 3 vehicle to a newer vehicle. So how does this enhanced ETS works? It actually introduced Euro 4 in, whereby it increased the eligible vehicles from 22,000 to 63,000. It allows Euro 4 commercial vehicle owner to enjoy the saving if they were to change to a new vehicles. Starting from this 1st April 2021, owners with older LGV gets to enjoy 20 to 45% bonus COE incentive. For heavy goods vehicle, HGV, owners get to enjoy 40 to 100% bonus COE incentive, depending on what is your replacement vehicle. So this enhanced ETS scheme actually works together with CVES. So if you have decided to change to a newer and a cleaner vehicle, you will actually enjoy more saving with these two schemes. So how to be eligible for this ETS? 1. Your vehicle has to be a Category C and non-COE exempted. 2. You have to be the registered owner. 3. The vehicle registration date should be on 1st January 2001 to 31st December 2013. 4. It has to be properly disposed. And 5. It at least should have 1 day left in the COE or the lifespan. So with this enhanced ETS scheme, you have already enjoyed a substantial savings. But if you decided to use it together with CVES, you will actually enjoy a greater benefit. If you have any questions or doubts in regards to these two new schemes, enhanced ETS and CVES, do drop us a message through Facebook or WhatsApp, or give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to guide you through. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sky, and please give us a like on our Facebook page, and stay tuned for our next video where I'll answer some common questions about the ETS.